Welcome to Techtopia X, where tech meets innovation. Let's dive in.
Are budget gaming laptops finally getting serious? Meet the Acer Nitro V gaming laptop, powered by Intel's i5-13420H processor and NVIDIA's RTX 4050 GPU. This might just be the new budget gaming king of 2025. Let's take a closer look and see what it's really capable of. Starting with the design, the Nitro V keeps that bold gaming style that Acer is known for. The chassis has a matte black finish with subtle red accents, giving it a clean but aggressive look. It feels solid in the hands, with very little flex on the keyboard deck or lid. It's not the lightest machine out there, but that extra weight helps with cooling and build strength, which is a good trade-off for gamers. The keyboard is backlit with bright white lighting that looks great in dark rooms. Typing feels comfortable, with deep key travel and a satisfying click on each press. Even after long sessions, it doesn't feel mushy or fatiguing. There's also a spacious touchpad that's responsive and accurate, though most gamers will still prefer using a dedicated mouse. Now let's talk about the display, because this is one of the highlights of the Nitro V. You're getting a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel with a 165Hz refresh rate. That high refresh rate makes a huge difference in fast-paced games. Movement looks smoother, aiming feels more responsive, and it just adds to the overall gaming experience. Colors are surprisingly good for a budget display, though brightness tops out around 250 nits, which can feel dim if you're gaming in bright environments. For indoor gaming, though, it's perfectly fine. Under the hood, the performance setup is where things get interesting. This laptop runs on Intel's Core i5-13420H processor, an 8-core, 12-thread chip designed for mid-range gaming and multitasking. Paired with the NVIDIA RTX 4050 laptop GPU, you're getting genuine next-gen gaming performance at an affordable price. In real-world tests, games like Apex Legends and Valorant easily push past 100 frames per second at high settings. Even more demanding titles like Cyberpunk 2077 and Hogwarts Legacy hold steady around 60 frames per second when you tweak a few settings. And it's not just gaming. The Nitro V handles everyday workloads really well: video editing, photo work, and multitasking with multiple Chrome tabs all run smoothly. The system boots fast thanks to its 512GB Gen 4 SSD, and app load times are nearly instant. The 8 gigs of DDR5 memory do hold it back a little, especially when multitasking or editing video, so upgrading to 16 gigs is highly recommended. The good news is that it's easy to upgrade, just pop off the back panel and you're set. Cooling is always a big deal in gaming laptops, and Acer did a great job here. The Nitro V uses a dual-fan cooling setup, along with heat pipes and vents that push air through the sides and rear. Temperatures stay under control, even during long gaming sessions. The fans can get loud, especially in performance mode, but the trade-off is stable clock speeds and no major thermal throttling. You can also use the NitroSense software to switch between quiet, balanced, and performance modes, depending on what you're doing. In terms of connectivity, Acer has packed in everything most users need. You get Wi-Fi 6 for faster and more stable wireless connections, 3 USB-A ports, 1 USB-C, HDMI 2.1 for external displays, Ethernet, and a headphone jack. It's a great mix for gamers, students, or creators who connect multiple devices. Battery life is about what you'd expect from a gaming laptop of this level, around 4 to 5 hours on light tasks like browsing or watching videos. When gaming, though, you'll want to stay plugged in for the best performance. Now let's go over the pros and cons. Pros: excellent value for the money. The RTX 4050 GPU delivers fantastic 1080p gaming performance. The 165Hz display is buttery smooth. Thermals are solid and the overall build feels sturdy. Cons: only 8 gigs of RAM out of the box, which limits multitasking. Display brightness could be higher, and those fans can get pretty noisy under heavy load. Overall, the Acer Nitro V offers incredible performance for its price. If you're looking for a gaming laptop that can handle modern titles smoothly without breaking the bank, this is one of the best options out there right now. It's perfect for students, casual gamers, and even entry-level creators who need GPU power for editing. It's not flawless, but for under $1,000, it nails the balance between power, thermals, and build quality. Upgrade the RAM, plug it in, and you've got yourself a reliable gaming machine that's ready for anything. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and drop a comment below with the first game you test on the Nitro V. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.